Good morning, students. Students, this lesson is of class 4th for the subject of journal knowledge, topic marine life, and is being submitted to you on 3rd May 2021. Students, in today's lesson, we will learn about different marine creatures and we will find out that how many tentacles and how they eat. Okay, so let us start today's lesson with the very first marine creature, that is squid. I repeat, the first one is squid. Now, children, squid are carnivorous ocean creatures with 8 arms and 2 tentacles, which are longer than their arms. Children, you can see that in the picture. These are the tentacles. So, how many tentacles are there? There are 2 tentacles. Squid have circles on their arms and tentacles that help them hold their prey. Squid can change color. They swim backwards by pushing water out from their back like bodies. Squid have large eyes which help them see their surroundings in the deep, dark oceans. Is it clear, children? Now, most squid are about 24 inches long. I repeat, most squid are about 24 inches long, although giant squid can grow up to 13-meter long. Okay, children? Now let's have a second creature, that is octopus. Now children, you have a picture here. You can see this is your octopus. Okay, so let's read the information about octopus. Now children, octopuses can squeeze into tight spaces as they have no skeleton. I repeat, octopuses can squeeze into tight spaces as they have no skeleton. Squid also do not have a skeleton. Octopuses have 8 tentacles and 3 hearts. Octopus can also change their color to hide from sharks, which can eat them if, if for some reason an octopus loses one of its tentacles, it can grow a new tentacle in its place. Octopus usually live for 6 to 18 months. Squid and octopuses both releases black ink when they have to escape from larger sea creatures that want to eat them. Now, children, in the picture, you can see that an octopus and squid releases black ink. Okay, you can see here. Now, the third one is lobster. I repeat, what is the third one? Lobster. Children, lobster have 10 legs and a hard shell covering their bodies. You can see this is your lobster. These creatures can be found in an oceans and like to live in mud at the bottom of the ocean. Some lobster have 2 large claws and some have long antennae on their head. Okay, children, you can see here, this is the antennas. Fine. A lobster discards its shell each year and grows a new larger one. Lobsters are active at night and uses their sense of smell to search for prey. Live, live lobsters are never red in color. They are usually greenish brown in color. They turn red only when they are cooked. I repeat, live lobsters are never red in color. They are usually greenish brown in color. They turn red only when they are cooked. Now, children, let us move on to the fourth one, that is starfish. Now, children, let's have a look. This is your starfish. It's look like a star. Starfish have a lifespan of about 35 years. Most starfish have 5 arms, although some varieties can grow up to 50 arms. They have eye spots, not eyes, at the end of their arms, which allow the starfish to sense light and dark and also help it to find food. Starfish like to eat oysters and snails. A starfish mouth is at the center of its body. Starfish can also regrow lost or damaged body part. Now, children, I'm going to ask 3 questions. Try to answer them. Question number 1 is, how many tentacles octopus have? Second one, what is the lifespan of a starfish? Third one, lobster uses their sense of dash to search for prey. Now, children, let us discuss the answer. There are 8 tentacles in octopus. The lifespan of a starfish is around 35 years. Lobster use their sense of smell to search for prey. Now, children, let us continue with our fifth one, that is eel. Now, children, you can see that this is your eel. Okay. Eels may look like snakes, but they are actually fish. Eels have gills and very sharp teeth. A young eel is called elver. Most eels live in shallow water of the ocean and burrow into sand, mud, or between rocks. Is it clear, children? Now, children, let us discuss the sixth one, that is dugong. I repeat, it's dugong. The dugong is a large mammal that lives its whole life in the sea. They come to the surface of the water to breed, but they never come up on the land. They can stay underwater for up to. They are sometimes called sea cows as they eat large amount of seagrass. They live in warm, shallow area of the ocean where the seagrass grows. Now the seventh one is seal. Now children, seals mainly live in the water. They only come on land to give birth to young ones or to escape from orca whales, that is killer whales, and sharks. Seals eat fish, birds, and shellfish. They can stay underwater for up to 2 hours. Seals have a thick layer of fat called blubbers under their skin to keep them warm in the icy water. Okay, children? Now, children, let us discuss the word meanings. The first one is tentacles. Children, tentacles, a long, thin arm-like body part on some animal used for feeling and holding strings. Prey, an animal or bird that is eaten by another animal or bird. Discard, to shed or throw away something that is no longer useful. Number fourth, burrow, to dig into or hide underneath something. Shallow, not very deep. Shellfish, certain aquatic creatures such as oysters and crabs that have shell covering their bodies. Now, children, you are required to do the following exercise, and after that, the answers are given. You can check out after filling this exercise. Now, let us repeat exercise. First one, a squid had dash arms and dash tentacles. Second one, an octopus has dash tentacles and dash hearts. Squid and octopus when they have to escape from dangerous animals. Fourth, a lobster has dash legs and two large dash. Fifth one, dash and dash can regrow certain body parts. Starfish do not have eyes, rather, they have dash at the end of their arms. An eel looks like a snake, but it is actually a dash. Eighth one, young eels are called dash. Seals have a thick layer of fat under their skin known as dash. 10. A dugong never comes up on the land, but a seal climbs up to dash and to the dash. Now, children, these are the fill-ups. After filling the answer, please check your answer given in this page. Thank you, children.